Hey guys, Amy here. Thanks so much for stopping by. So today I got a couple requests to make the 3D pumpkin lantern that I've seen in some Facebook groups and some stuff, and it was super fun and easy to make. So it's a 3D lantern that you put a tea light inside and it lights up. So I will have everything linked below. This is not one of my files. This found it on Etsy, so I will link that below. And then the different materials I used in the vellum. So in order to get real crisp cuts with your Cricut on cardstock, I definitely recommend having a nice sticky mat and a pretty newer blade. My blade was getting worn out and some of my cuts did not go as well, so I had to cut some extras out. But still really easy to put together, no glue or anything like that. So everything just goes together with your hands and sticks right together. Okay, so let's get in and start crafting. So I am using just some 8.5 by 10 pieces of cardstock. You can also use 12 by 12 cardstock, but this is what I have on hand. And then I'm using these pretty vellum sheets. So for these kind of paper lanterns, you just need something that's see-through. I like vellum paper, but you can also use, you know, something even like wax paper or even maybe parchment paper or something like that that you can just kind of see through. Okay. So as you can see, I have it all uploaded here. So I will link the file. It's not my file. I found it on Etsy, and you have to upload every single one at a time. To open my file here. Okay, so these are all the different pieces. So all these yellow ones are the one that's going to be cut out of my vellum, transparent, and then everything else is going to be out of the orange. So I'm just going to go to make it. Okay, and then I'm actually going to change my material size to 8.5 by 11, and then it will resize everything. So you can see I need 6 of the orange color vellum sheet, which is mine is 8.5 by 11, but I'm going to change this just in case it does anything different. Okay, so 2 of those and 6 of those. Okay, so I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to turn my maker on. Okay, so we have everything cut out. So you'll notice on these ones, they have 2 tops. So we're going to put one in here. And one going this way. Okay, so we have the pumpkin started there, and then we are going to insert the top and the bottom. So these are going to go kind of in those hooks there. So I'm going to line up these little pieces here underneath these hooks like that. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the top, lining those parts up again. Okay, so we have that base set, and then we're going to stick in our our top here. Just over 2 of those ones. So it just sticks right in there. Okay, so then these are all my vellum sheets. And then the edges here. So we're just gonna line these up like so. And then we're just gonna stick them in these parts. So just gonna stick them both together in the bottom and that top part. Okay, so you don't even have to glue them together or anything. They're both just gonna stick in like that. Okay, so we're gonna do all of those the same way. Making sure the pumpkins are going the same way. And this is a super fun file because no glue involved, which is always a plus. Okay, so there it is all put together. Super cute. And then all you do for the to put a candle in is just open up a side. If you have one that's like on a remote or something, that'd probably be easiest, so you don't have to open and close. But you just stick it in. Okay, so there it is all lit up. Super cute and fun project. Makes great decorations. Could have a party and have everyone cut them out and make them. So anyway, again, I will link everything below and of all the items I used. And let me know if you want any more tutorials. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for stopping by.